To understand the structure of affirmative sentence in simple present tense, we need to go through the formula, because if we understand the formula and we can remember it, then it will be very easy to construct a sentence in this tense. I will go on giving you the examples along with Kannada examples too. First, we need to understand one more point. Usually, whenever we are referring to the subject in the sentence, according to the subject, the form of the verb changes. What kind of change happens usually? We will see according to the example I have given here. When there is I, that is first person singular pronoun, the verb will be go. Whenever it is you, second person singular, then also go comes. Third person singular, when it comes he, then the verb also changes. What kind of change happens? The change is that whenever there will be the third person in singular, we will have to add s or es to the main verb. Hence, we have added here es to the main verb called go. Then only it will be right. If you write once again as he go, that is grammatically wrong. Thereafter, once again it goes. And we have once again here some other pronouns like we, you, they. Whenever we are using these pronouns, then once again go comes, but when we are using she, a third person singular pronoun, goes only comes. This is very important. Instead of he, she, it, any person comes or anything comes, then we will have to add to the main verb s or es letters. In the note I have already told you here, in simple present tense, affirmative form verb s or es in case of he, she, it, or any singular in the place of subject. So this is very important. While speaking in English, we tend to make mistakes in this point very often. Hence, I have written here very clearly what kind of changes happen with the main verb according to the subject here. And what is the formula or structure of the affirmative sentence in simple present tense? That is subject plus do or does plus verb number 1 plus box. Here, if we remember this formula properly, then it will be very easy for us to construct a sentence whenever we are talking about an action which happens right at the moment. Let's see the example whether the formula is right or not. According to the example, Pakistan asks evidence to India again and again. Here, what is Pakistan called as? in the very sentence Pakistan is subject. Why Pakistan is called a subject? Because we are talking about Pakistan in the sentence. As we know, subject might be the name of a place, person, or thing, or any abstract concept about which we speak in a sentence. Since we are talking about Pakistan in the sentence, Pakistan is regarded as subject. And what is the formula? According to the formula, subject comes first. And here also, subject. Thereafter comes asks. So it is verb number 1. Ask is a verb. Since the subject is in singular third person, as I have already told you, it is going to replace here with Pakistan. And whenever we are referring to it, then the main verb should come with s or es. Hence here ask has come along with the letter called asks, and it is main verb. Here after subject do or does has come. We haven't added here do or does, but in case of affirmative, do or does are understood. If I say Pakistan asks, it means Pakistan does ask. Thereafter, verb number 1, and according to that, we have here asks as verb number 1. Then evidence to India again and again. All these parts of a sentence come in the box to make you understand the formula very clearly and in a simple manner. I have given you this structure so that you can understand very easily. Let's see once again with another example whether the formula is correct or not. We speak English with teacher fluently after this course. Here what is we? It is subject. Speak, verb number 1. With the teacher is another part, that is object. Fluently is another part. After this course, also another part. All these parts are included in box because they are additional parts, but the basic structure includes subject, helping verb, verb number 1, and the other parts. Whether it is there or not, we is the subject, speak is verb number 1, English is object, with the teacher is an object, and the remaining parts also come there. I hope you can see even the Kannada meaning also here. And once you observe the Kannada meaning of the sentence, you can understand what actually the relationship of action with the time here. In present tense also there is a difference in simple present tense. And once we go on discussing the other kinds of present tense, we will understand how the difference comes amongst all those kinds. Thank you.